What should I do?
He's bad, dog, and bad, and I don't like.
You don't like who?
Daddy.
Why?
Everything is going broken and everything. See? This everything broken.
What should I do to Daddy?
Timeout.
Why?
Because he's doing everything and everything. See how he just shop. Like a cat.
What is she doing with her mouth? Show me.
He's doing chop.
Like
and chop, and that's how he's know. He knows he's a bad guy. You know bad guys. I'm not going time out, Mama. I don't want. Daddy.
Huh?
Make Daddy time out.
Why?
Come on, Abba, get up.
Why?
Because we're gonna get stuck.
And do what?